Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm getting ready to do a review on what I am wearing around my old cranium here. That is a pair of old ski goggles. Ski goggles. Check them out. Now this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, I don't think people have a full appreciation for our ski goggles. Can you please do a detailed review? Let people know what the dealio is with these ski goggles. Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever it will affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. Let me get into it. So these ski goggles, as you can see here, fit the old melon quite nicely. The cool part about it is these things also are have a headband, if you will, that extends large enough to go around a helmet. And so these serve two purposes, as far as I could tell. They serve the purposes just wearing it without a helmet or with a helmet. So there is quite the size here as far as how these can be worn. This is what the backside looks like. It says snow goggles to make it very obvious. That's what these things are. One thing I did like and I did not expect right out the gate is that on the inside, you can kind of see it there, kind of shiny. There is a soft but yet rubberized feature. It's because if you're going to wear a helmet, you don't want it to slide up or down, or if you're wearing a toboggan or something on your head, sometimes it will slide down, and this is meant to prevent that. This is also kind of a suede. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm just going to elaborate. This is like a suede, very soft material, actually very soft. From a wearability standpoint, you got a couple different layers here on the old cushion. Very soft. Some breathability here and some vents that are here below. Something else that I was not expecting is that there is a anti-glare, anti-scratch, anti-fog film that's on these. It's actually on the anti-fog is here on the inside. I actually had to take off the inside film before I was going to put these things on. So these things are quite legit, quite legit. Also comes with a travel case, so when you're packing these things up or travel them, you have that as well. Very nice. The tint on these is right on point, so it's pretty much impossible to see through this way, you know, but outwards, a nice tint, but not too dark to where it seems like, you know, it's dark outside. Nice gloss finish, just all around, I would say surprisingly nice. Surprisingly nice. Got to give shout outs to this company because it's just surprisingly nice, you know. Also from a peripheral view, now I'll finish with this, the wide angle. So when I look at this, I'm thinking, man, that's a pretty wide helmet. But the reason for that, I believe, is because the peripheral vision with this coverage goes all the way out to here. So you're not locked into a very tight line of sight. You can see very wide field of vision in these, which is always a plus. So if you're looking for a nice set, and I think these come in a couple different finishes, but a nice set of ski goggles that serve, I would say, a good feature, a very good feature, is the anti-fog feature, anti-scratch, depending on how aggressive you are with them. So hopefully that helps getting all your questions answered, and we'll talk to you soon.